Honestly, I think the real MVP was Shadow, bro. That was fucking super, man.
Dude, I was just trying to kill everything in fucking sight, man. I just
if you could kill 4 more MCF before the spawn wave, bro,
I see you shoot out the fucking side window. I'm like, oh no.
1 HP.
The grenade launcher is so fucking funny. Best weapon.
Because anti-corruption. Yes, sir.
Oh no, it's a gun.
Sonic Surge.
Attention, all personnel. The light containment zone decontamination process will occur in T-minus 15 minutes. All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
Whoops.
Oh my god, how should Shadow keep?
I just am suicidal.
You don't get Shy Guy.
And I couldn't switch off him.
Killed himself.
Yeah, the server doesn't have switching, just say your
You
preference.
suing?
Guaranteed it.
I set my preference and somehow I still got set.
The fuck?
That's not cool.
You think it was,
He
you
would
suing
get
that
kicked
killed
ass
himself?
and just sets preference to what you would prefer.
Honestly,
Damn, even Joe hates you, Fei.
The hell did Faye
alright, guys, I'm ready.
Be Fei.
Nothing. Hold on, I'm almost just be me.
Alright, we'll wait
Yeah.
a second.
We just don't like Fei. Boom.
You know I'm friendly in SCP, I'll let you
Bro, I didn't know you want.
I'm killing you.
What's a Fei?
Ah, I know it!
You can.
Well, Fei, guess what?
What do they do?
Chicken butt.
Damn you!
Oh, they
Hey,
make it back.
no, Butthole Blitter is still alive.
Yeah.
Fucking, I spawned in as a scientist like 2 inches away from D class, and I was like, I'm gonna back away, and I just got ganked
Best
up by
friend.
like 4 of them.
Sounds about right.
Guys, I have a theory.
The worst
A game theory.
No, a chaos theory!
No, wrong server, shut up.
Oh, damn you! You know what I'm gonna do?
Kill yourself.
Oh,
How'd you know?
boom.
Damn it. That was very mean and hurt my feeling. Fei, I
I'm
hate you.
having feelings in the big 2025.
That's not allowed anymore.
Yeah, there's no such thing as feelings anymore. I don't know what you're on about.
Now there's only facts. And let me tell you, liberal, they don't care about your feelings. Boom.
You know what? Chat for that. Can we get 5 big booms?
No.
Your mom, your mom, your mom, your mom,
Sorry,
your mom.
I got it. They're done.
Amazing.
You are not the robot rocket launcher, buddy.
Dude, I need to get Butthole Obliterator 34's autograph.
Can we all agree that we're just gonna KOS microwave Sonic?
What?
What?
Oh!
Oh.
Actually, can we inside KOS, Fei?
Nah.
Microwave Sonic, you're mad sexist, not gonna lie.
What?
What?
I swear, I'm not!
Danger.
You don't know it, pal.
I love women.
Overall decontamination in T-minus 10 minutes.
Yo, dead people, what's up? I'm like really on in a minute.
That's a fucking war zone.
What are y'all up to?
Spawning in, that's what we're up to.
I was gonna see, it's about to reveal it's real quiet in that chat.
Adrenaline is burned.
Adrenaline is burned.
Try, bro. Nice try. Nice try. How did I not die to that? You hit me with a jailbird.
I hear you, baby!